Hello. Hi, guys. Oh, hello, everyone. Sorry. How are you all doing today? Who is here? Who is here? Oh, Magdalene is here and Rita. Oh, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, if you're watching this, can you please give this like a thumbs up and just give me 1 minute to share? Okay, thank you so much. Share it, please. Help me and share. Help me and share. Sharing is very good. Sharing will make the video YouTube to make the video to get a wider audience. Magdalene Rita says, I am excited about this topic. Yeah. Hello, Elizabeth Mosu. How are you doing, sis? How are you? Good evening, and thank you so much for joining. Ladies, yeah, this is a very exciting topic because we are all this most of my videos is all about how to achieve glowing skin. How do I look? I love my lippy. How to achieve glowing skin. And dry body brushing is one of those skincare routines that uh, do and definitely will make your skin to glow. Yeah, it is good. It's a good one. Whoever invented it is a genius. I'm talking from experience because I do dry body brush, okay? And this is my brush here. For those of you that don't know what the kind of brush to use, this is called Bristol brush. If you live in Ireland, I bought mine in TK Maxx. I have actually two of them. Yeah, so I use it. Okay. And I'm gonna talk about what dry body brushing is, benefits of dry body brushing, both beauty and health benefit, and then I will tell you how to use it the right way because some people don't actually know. From chatting, immediately I put up this topic, a lot of messages. I got a lot of messages. Hey, this is good. Because I may be doing it the wrong way. I don't really know if I'm doing it the right way. So this would be a good opportunity to know. So I'm going to show you how I do my dry body brush and mostly how to do it the right way. Because if you do it the wrong way, you're just basically wasting your time and your energy. And you have to do it the right way to help achieve the maximum benefit what is meant to do. And if you do it the right way, I'm telling you, it does work. You will begin within like 2 weeks or 3, you begin to notice a huge difference on your skin tone. For those of you that's just visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and this channel is about skincare. We talk about skincare here, how to look after your skin. Please, if you're just joining, give this live a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Click the like button and also help me and share it. Okay. I hope everyone is hearing what I'm saying. Are you all hearing me? Oh, let me put this up. Let me put this up. So let's talk about this. Life is actually meant to start by 6, but I changed the time because when you have kids and family, just things keep cropping up. For those of you that thought that it's 6 o'clock, I'm sorry. Most times, just instead of me to cancel, it's better I start early for fam. If you have kids, you'll understand. It's tough. Now, what exactly is dry body brushing, and why is it something that is important? Why is it something that is a must to incorporate in your skincare routine? Okay, basically, dry body brushing is more like skin exfoliation. So mostly it works as a massage actually. So if you want, instead of massaging your skin, I'm not saying massaging is bad, massaging is good, but dry body brushing have the same benefit as getting a body massage, if not better. Okay, and I will tell you why. So basically, dry body brushing is the use of this brittle brush to do like a skin exfoliation, and also help with circulation, removing dead skin cells, and improving your oxygen level on your body. Okay, and how does it do it? Why is it that this little thing here can do all those things? Okay, so this is the first thing. When it comes to using this brittle brush, okay, when it comes to using on your skin, the first thing is, um, first of all, is except someone that has sensitive skin or someone that has broken skin, like let's say the likes of a recently obtained scar, or open wound, or if you have maybe burn, let's say, so like a newly formed wound on your skin, like open wound, you should not dry body brush around that area. If you're someone that has like skin cancer, you should not dry body brush that area. And if you have sensitive skin actually can use it, but my advice to someone with sensitive skin is you should use the brush that you can use on your face, because sometimes the firmer the brush, the better it works. But for someone with sensitive skin, my advice is whatever brush that you use, those facial brush that you can use on your face, like for scrubbing your face, you can use it on your skin. So it's not like too hard on your skin, because sensitive skin, when it comes to irritability, sensitive skin is very prone to that. Irritation, sensitive skin is very prone to that. Okay, so the first thing that dry body brushing actually does to your skin is it helps with detoxification. Okay, how does it do it? Basically, when you use this on a dry skin, because the name says dry. I think I'm flipping. The name says dry, so you have to use it on a dry skin. Okay, take your time to do it, because you want to get the benefit. So take your time, and mostly the way I use it is before I get into the shower. Before I get into the shower, I use it. Okay, so it helps with skin detoxification. And when you talk about skin detoxification, we're talking about helping to remove dead skin cells, and helping, if it's very good for someone with very rough looking skin, like dry looking skin. It's very good for someone that has strawberry legs. Strawberry legs is usually caused by um, when you do shaving and you shave in the wrong direction, or let's say you get a wax, and the esthetician or whoever did the wax and didn't do it well, you can end up having the hairs will be clog with your pores, and then it will come out as ingrown hairs. So dry body brushing is perfect for someone with ingrown hair, someone with dry, rough looking skin, or even for normal skin, just to keep that skin tone glowing. Okay. Now, it helps to unclog pores. I think I just said it now. It helps to unclog pores, because a lot of the skin dryness and the patches of dead skin that you have is also as a result of clogged pores. So How does it do this? It does it by increasing blood circulation and promoting lymph flow. Because you know the lymph nodes are the nodes that carries toxins around your body. So they help to get rid of toxins around your body. But sometimes when you're not active, when you don't sweat that much, you don't do any exercise, you don't do any massage, you don't drink loads of water, your body will contain loads and loads of toxins. And this is why sometimes you see your skin getting really dull looking and you're breaking out and you're getting a lot of oil on your skin and your skin doesn't look healthy. It's as a result of toxins. You have loads of toxins in your body. So by doing dry body brushing, it will help promote lymph flow. So we call it lymph flow or you call it lymph drainage. Try it. Let's say you have your brush this night. Try and do dry body brushing and watch how many times you urinate this night. Just give it a try. It's an experiment. Don't drink any water. Just no, should I drink what? Yeah, drink drink water because drinking water will help. But dry body brush your skin this night and see how you'll be going to urinating on the toilet all the time to urinate because it helps to get rid of toxins. All those toxins in your body. Because whenever you scrub your skin or whenever you do dry body brushing, it helps with the blood circulation. And when the blood in your body is circulated properly, toxins, it will gone. And you will see how light you feel in the morning when you wake up. You feel really, really light. I just feel good whenever I do it. For some reason, anytime I dry body brush at night, I wake up in the morning, I have this energy that I don't know where it comes from because like I'm really, really busy sometimes when I wake up, I'm really tired. But whenever any day that I do my dry body brush, usually 3-4 times a week, and I do mine, I just feel this energy in me when I wake up in the morning. So yeah, so this is what it does. Okay. It kind of promotes your body to eliminate toxins. It helps to speed it up. So instead of those toxins being stuck in your body, if you dry body brush all the time, some people even do it every day, but I can't do it every day because sometimes I'm like quick shower too. If I'm really tired that day and I really, really need to go to bed, I just do quick shower. But any day that is my mean time, because I have my mean time when my kids are in bed, I do my mean time, I do my body scrub, I do a little bit of massage with my oil, and I'll have good dry body brushing or good sleep. Yeah. So that's one thing that it does. It helps with skin, body detoxification, and then the second thing it does is it helps with stimulating the nervous system. Okay, remember I just told you that whenever I dry body brush, I wake up in the morning, I feel good. For some reason, I don't know why. Please give this live a thumbs up. If you're just joining us, we're talking about dry body brushing and we're discussing about the benefit of dry body brushing and the beauty and health benefit. And then I'll be talking about how to do it the proper way later. Okay, so it leaves you more like feeling like you just had a massage when you dry body brush. It does give you that feeling, that good feeling, because when you don't have too many toxins in your body, you feel good. Just try it. You feel good. It does. Now, the third thing that dry body brushing does is it gives your skin a more radiant glow. Remember, when you exfoliate your skin, there's no way you'll be doing body exfoliation or skin exfoliation and your skin will not glow. That's like impossible. Your skin, as long as you exfoliate your skin, you will get that glow that you want. Do it consistently and you will get that glow that you want. And the reason is because when you exfoliate your skin, you're removing dead skin cells. Okay, so you're removing dead skin cells because dead skin cells, if they are stuck there on your skin, makes your skin to look dull. So when you dry body brush, it's removing dead skin cells and then it is revealing more radiant, glowing skin that is underneath. Because when you exfoliate your dead skin cells, the skin under will now reveal itself. Please give this life a thumbs up, please. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Now, sometimes like when I dry body brush my skin, I don't use soap afterwards. For some reason, I don't, because there's no need. There's no need because as you're dry body brushing, you're removing any dirt, you're removing any impurities and any oil on your skin. So there's no need of using soap. Okay, there's no need of using soap because the toxins are gone, because mostly we use soap to wash ourselves, to remove dirt, to remove impurities. So dry body brushing will do that for you anyway. There's no need of you using soap. It's no need. It's waste of soap and waste of your time. Okay, now one more thing that I just remembered now. Okay, if you're someone that just, like, you have a newly formed hyperpigmentation, you have a lot of cellulite on your skin, and even stretch marks. Okay, if you dry body brush often, especially cellulite, when you dry body brush often, it will help to reduce the appearance of cellulite on your skin. It actually does that. It will help to reduce the appearance of cellulite on your skin. You help to reduce it because the cellulite sometimes can be very visible for someone that doesn't scrub their skin compared to someone that scrubs their skin. They use body scrub or any other exfoliating product. So when you dry body brush, the likelihood of you having too much cellulite will be less, and the likelihood of you developing stretch mark will be less. So this is what I just want to touch up on that so I don't forget it. Okay, now I still have my brush here. So let me put it so it doesn't fall down. Now, how do you dry body brush? So the first no is never ever dry body brush your face. No dry brushing your face, okay? Because this brush is so hard for your face, because your face is a very sensitive part of your body. Please, if you want to leave any question, you just put it down in the comment section, and also click the like button and like this. Give it a like. I know I started this live very early. I was supposed to start 6 o'clock, but I started very early. So I'm sure most people will be thinking that it's still 6 o'clock, but Magdalene say, yeah, I started I started very early, but it's okay. It's okay. We're still here. I'm sure we'll still be here by 6. I don't know, but I hope so. But anyway, yeah. So when I put this topic about dry body brush, someone asked me to talk about cellulite and stretch marks. what we can do to remedy cellulite and stretch mark. Okay, so when I finish dry body brushing, I'm going to talk about cellulite and stretch mark, and I'm going to incorporate it with dry body brushing and see, because I have done a lot of videos about stretch marks, but anything for my viewers, I will do it. I will do it. I will talk about cellulite and stretch mark. I will talk about what causes stretch mark, what causes cellulite, and how you can, what you can do to reduce the appearance. Because in terms of stretch mark, you may not completely get rid of it if you don't catch it early. If you catch it early, you can get rid of it. The visibility can be really, 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 really very less. But if you don't catch it early, the likelihood of you getting rid of it is difficult. But you can um, reduce the appearance. Okay. So now, the first no when it comes to body brush is, please never ever use it on your face. It's a no-no. You cannot use it on your face because the brush is too hard. It's too hard to use it on your face. Look, it's too hard to use on your face, and your face is a very sensitive part of your body, so it's not good to use this on your face. Okay, that's noted. The second thing is, never ever dry brush on a wet skin. Okay, this is why they call it dry. It means you have to dry body brush on a dry skin, not wet skin. This is where a lot of people make the mistake. A lot of people do it on a wet skin. No. If you do it on a wet skin, first thing is, it's gonna make like it be too hard, and it can cause skin irritation if you use it on a wet skin, because it just will not be as effective as doing it. Elizabeth, are you still here? You can't, it won't be as effective as um using it on a dry skin. Okay, now the like button is not moving up. Please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. So it will not be as effective as using it on a dry skin if you use it on a wet skin. So use it on a wet skin is a no-no. Sensitive skin is not advisable to use this kind of bristle brush on your skin. If you are someone that has sensitive skin, you can try using the facial brush. Those ones are like, they're a little bit they are not as strong and firm as this ones that you use on your body, because sensitive skin, is very prone to irritation. Okay, the third no the third no is brushing the wrong way. Okay, now, brushing the wrong way, not only is it going to be ineffective, as in you won't achieve what you really need to achieve in terms of um getting that glow you want, removing the toxins in your body, and also improving the blood circulation. Okay, and this is why, like when you are getting a body massage, the skin care specialist or the spa therapist or the massage therapist, if you watch carefully, you will see there is a way they massage, you know, upwards. They massage to the direction of your lymph nodes. If you go to any spa for a massage and the massage therapist is not massaging that way, then this massage therapist don't know what they are doing. Okay, you have to always massage to the direction towards the lymph nodes. And the reason you do this is because You are trying to remove toxins from your body. This is why you massage, and this is why you do your body brush. Okay. Now, I don't know if this thing that I'm wearing is the best cloth to show. So, the reason I like using the long bristle brush like this is because so I can reach my back. Okay? So I can reach my back. This is why I use the long one like this. So I can reach my back. Because the back is like the most difficult area to reach. Yeah, it's the most difficult area to reach. Whenever you're dry body brushing, okay, you have to massage, you have to brush. Like, let's say this is my hand right now, okay, and I'm dry body brushing. Are you ladies watching? Are you all watching? Are you watching me? So, okay, so this is if I'm trying to dry body brush right now, okay, I have to, let's say I'm doing on the part of my hand. So I will hold it like this. Okay. And I will do like a stroke. And you see where I'm going. So this is where your lymph nodes are. All your pressure point is where your lymph nodes are. All this area is where your lymph nodes are. Even the back of your knee, your lymph nodes. So you brush towards your lymph nodes, because you're removing toxins. You're trying to drain the toxins towards your lymph nodes. Okay, this is how you dry body brush. Do you guys understand? Okay, if you're brushing towards your leg area, you start from your feet and you brush towards your knee. You brush towards the upwards. Don't brush downwards. You brush upwards. You're brushing towards the direction of your lymph nodes. The same with your thigh area. So when you're brushing your thigh area, you brush from your knee. Excuse me, please. Now, so is everyone listening? Are you all listening? Am I the one only one watching myself? Okay. So I'm the only one here. So whenever you're whenever you're brushing, okay, you start from your knee and you brush upward to your upper thigh. You brush upward to your upper thigh. That's how you brush. Even the back of your knee, you start from there and you brush upward. So you like a stroke. Not you. Some people do like a circular motion, but I prefer to do it like stroke. So you're brushing upward like this. Okay? But you have to be a little bit firmer. Not the way I'm doing it now. So you have to be a little bit firmer, because you need to improve circulation. Whenever you see how my skin is already going red. So if you do it right, when you finish, you will see your skin will go very red. This is how you do it. So your skin will go very red. Now, if you finish dry body brushing and your skin is still the way it is, then it's either you're using the wrong brush or you're not doing it right. Okay? I will go through it again so you know. Now, that's my hand. We're talking about my hand. And I've told you that if you want to do your knee, you have to start from your feet and you brush up to your knee. And then if you want to do your upper thigh, you have to start from your knee and you brush up to your upper thigh, as if you're going where your waist is. Okay? And you do it on a stroke. 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 Take your time. Do it. Be a little bit more firmer than I am doing it right now. Okay? Look, I don't know why I'm looking this side instead of straight. Now, you want to go where your heart is. Okay? Because remember, not only are you dry body brushing to remove dead skin cells, you're also dry body brushing to drain your lymph nodes of toxins. Okay? So when you're brushing your heart, your chest area, not your heart, nobody brushes their heart. When you're brushing your chest area, you have to brush downwards. Okay? You brush towards your heart. Your heart is here, isn't it? So you brush towards it. You do like a stroke. Don't do like that. A stroke. 1, 2, 3, stroke. If you're not comfortable, you can go on top of where you've already done before. But be careful of, see how your skin feels. I'm not saying you should you're not fighting with you. You're not fighting with yourself. Do it gently but firmer. Gently but firmer. And once you do this, when you finish, you will be going to the toilet all the time. And it's even good for someone that wants to lose weight. It's so good. Okay. So you brush towards your heart. Brush towards your heart. You brush towards your heart. Stroke, 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 stroke. Firmer, firmer. And then your stomach area, you brush towards your nozzle. Okay? That's what they call this thing in the middle. You brush towards it because that's where the lymph node is. Do you understand? Or should I go through it again? For you, is it confusing? Should I go through it again? Okay, let me just. Okay, Magdalene said I should go through it again. Yeah. You need to practice. Okay, you need to practice, and remember, you need to use a natural stiff bristle brush like this. Make sure it's natural. Make sure it's not too hard. Okay, I didn't say you should go and use those brushes that you use on your hair. No, the brushes that you use on your hair is not the same as the ones you use on your skin. This is called bristle brush. You can get it in a lot of pharmacies. You can get it in a lot of departmental stores. It's there, like loads and loads of it. If you can't get a long one like this, I like using this long one so I can reach my back. Okay, you know the back is the difficult area. If you have the short ones won't be able to get to the back. So this is why I prefer to use the long one so I can, brush my back, because your back too. A lot of people seems to get back acne. This is why even the sponge that I use to bath, I always wash my back, because if you don't, you get a lot of dirt there. Please give this live a thumbs up, please. I beg you, please give it a thumbs up. Is it that the thumbs up is not going up, or is it YouTube that is doing it? Because it's been on 3 for a very long time. It's not going up at all. It's not going up at all. So I don't know if it's people are not putting a thumbs up or YouTube is the one doing it. But anyway, so you have to use something like this, like a bristle brush like this. I call it bristle brush. So you can get it. It's in a lot of departmental stores and it's in a lot of pharmacy stores. You can even get it online as well. If you can't get it in where you live, you can check online. It's surely there. It's called Bristol brush. Okay, it's called Bristol brush. I usually like the one with handle as well, because this one's like the handle. I hold it like this. I'll be able to use it on my hands and my leg area. But if I'm using the back, I hold like the edge like that and do it on my back. Okay. Now I said before about the skin types or if like there's some skin conditions that you have, and if you have these skin conditions that I'm going to mention now, I don't know if I've said it before, you should not dry body brush. Okay, you should not dry body brush. So let's say you have mole on your skin, you should not dry body brush over your mole, because the mole may be sometimes cancerous. So it's not advisable to dry body brush over your mole. Okay, if you have warts, the skin condition called warts, you should not dry body brush over your warts. Okay, if you have like a raised bump sometimes maybe it's also a skin condition. It's not something that you want to brush over. And if you have sensitive skin, you should not use this type of brush. You look for those ones that face you can use on the face. If you have open wounds, you should not dry body brush on an open wound. Is not advisable. And also you should not use dry this kind of brush on your face. You should not dry body brush your face. Okay, because if you dry body brush your face, your skin is going to end up really really with loads of irritation, and it will be overly sensitive, and you may end up getting burned when you go out in the sun if you're someone that lives in a tropical climate. Give this live a thumbs up, please. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. The thumbs up are not going up. They're still like there. 3 since it hasn't gone up. Now, one more thing. Okay? One more thing that I need to say about dry body brush. So, for some people that has this skin condition called eczema or psoriasis. Okay? Sometimes eczema and psoriasis can be on the face or on the body. So if you're someone that has eczema or psoriasis on your face, you should not dry body brush. You should not use this. Okay? You should not use it. It's better you stay clear of it. Stay clear of dry body brush. If you're someone that has eczema or you have skin condition called psoriasis, you should not dry body brush. Okay. Now, this brush needs to be taken care of. Okay? Because you're using it on your skin. So it's something that you need to look after. Do not leave this brush in your shower. Don't leave this brush in your shower, because if you leave it in your shower, it's going to accumulate a lot of dirt, a lot of infection, bacteria, and it can get mold in it. You don't really want that. So, and always wash it after use. Always wash your brush after use. Okay, so let's say you finish using it now. It's better let's see. This is how I clean my own. I clean mine sometimes with soap, or you can clean it with soap, you can clean it with shampoo. You know the shampoo that you use on your hair, you can use it to clean this. Okay, and so you just put this shampoo on it on you, and you just, what I usually do is, if I put shampoo, I'll just like rub it a little bit, and like, pat it like this inside warm water or very hot water as well. Okay, this is how, or you can just, then when I finish patting, I usually put it like on a running tap, so it will remove any other dirt inside, because you using it on your body, because like, you may not see it with your physical eye, but it's taking off dead skin cells a lot. So if you don't wash it, those dead skin cells can get all clogged in there, with, make it look moldy and dirty, and then you'll be bacterial infected. So instead of you to having glowing skin, you end up having like acne or rashes all over your skin. This is why you need to constantly wash this at least once a week. Don't wash it too hard. Use your shampoo, use your soap. Just like, you wash your hairbrush. Just wash it like that. You know, if you're someone that uses hairbrush, a lot of people use hairbrush these days. I have hairbrush that I use. So, and then you can, when you finish, just hang it, so that to let the water drip down. So you hang it like this, as if you're, like when you're hanging a belt or you're hanging cloth or something. So you hang it, so you let it, or you're hanging your sponge, you let it dry. Please don't leave it in the shower. Don't leave it in a place that, like, um has a lot of steam, because it's not good to do that. It's not good to leave it in a place with steam. Magdalene said, wow. Yeah, it has happened to me before. Okay, I used to have this particular brush. I used to have two. I alternate between the two of them. And this particular time, I left one in the shower for a very long time. And I forgot that I even had it, because I forgot that I had it. I've not used that particular one for a long time. And God help me, I took it out. Um, I was cleaning the shower. For some reason, I don't know why, I hanged it there. But because I wasn't using it, I was like cleaning my shower, and I looked at it, and the shock on my face, it was like there was so many black things on the edge like that. So many black things on the edge like that. And I was looking at it. I'm saying to myself, should I wash this, or should I just throw it away? As I left it there, and I was contemplating, if I wash it, is this still okay to use? Would the soap be able to kill? Because those molds are bacteria, you know. Would the soap be able to kill the bacteria and all this and all that? And at the end, you know, I decided to throw it away, because I just couldn't use it. I threw it away because it looked really bad. So I couldn't use it. I threw it away. That was what I did. And I was happy that I did. So I since then I stopped leaving my brush in the shower. I stopped leaving it, because you know how it is with shower. The place gets very steamy, and for some reason, I don't know why it did that. Why it did that, but it did. So don't leave it in the shower. Hang it on a dry area. After washing, you hang it on a dry area to allow it to dry. Okay, you allow it to dry, so that there won't be it won't be infected with bacteria and all that. Now, does anybody have any question? Does anybody have any question regarding dry body brush? before we enter another one. Does anybody have any question? Magdalene Izu said, do you still use body scrub? Yes, I use body scrub as well. I use body scrub too. Because in as much as they do the same, but they have like different feeling on my body. Different feeling. This one is more vigorous because this one will like, it's good for draining your lymph node. So it's like you having a massage. Body scrub can remove dead skin cells, but I don't know if body scrub would drain your lymph node the way this one will. Drain all the toxins in your body like this one. I don't think body scrub is that effective in doing that. So yeah, I use my body scrub and I use this one. I use this one as well. Does anybody have any question? Before we get into stretch mark, how many times a week do you do this? uh, Sometimes 3, sometimes 4 times, depending on how that week is. If I'm really, really busy, I do it like 3 times. It doesn't have a specific time. You can dry body brush in the morning, you can dry body brush in the afternoon, you can dry body brush at night. So it doesn't really, there's no like specific time to do it. So does anyone have any other question? This stretch mark thing, are you sure we won't do it like a topic? I'm thinking we should maybe do it like a topic for next week. Because stretch mark should be like a topic on its own. And cellulite should be a topic on its own. Because dry body brush and cellulite or stretch mark is totally different topics. So I don't know if I want to incorporate the two of them together. It should be a topic on its own. Does anyone have any more questions? Yeah, it should be a topic on its own. We'll do that next week. Thank you. Please give this live a thumbs up, please. Give it a thumbs up. I don't know if it's YouTube that is doing this or the thumbs up is not moving at all. So let's recap again what I said and then how to do this, how to dry body brush the right way before I will now go. Okay. Now, I said that dry body brush is the use of soft natural bristle brush like this, on a dry skin to remove dead skin cells and drain your lymph nodes from toxin, drain your body of toxins. And you do this through the lymph nodes. Okay? You dry body brush to remove dead skin cells and to drain your body of toxins to allow to help with blood circulation and also gives you radiant glowing skin. So not only does dry body brush detoxify your body, not only does it stimulate your nervous system, because when you dry body brush, you kind of it makes you feel good, because when the toxins in your body is drained, it's gone. Because sometimes you get really tired and have a very low mood because your body is full of toxins. So when you dry body brush, you remove your body, it helps your body to eliminate toxins, and it will also help with your nervous system. So it will make you feel better, like that feeling that you get when you just finish a massage. Okay. And I said earlier that if you want to know how effective this is, dry body brush this night if you have this brush, and see how many times you go to the toilet to urinate, and see how you feel the next day. It makes you feel really good. Okay. And I also talked about what it does to your skin. Okay. So when you don't exfoliate your skin, it makes your skin looks really dull. Okay. And when your skin is dull, it will not have any glow. It will look like lifeless. Okay, so when you dry body brush, because it's removing your skin of toxins, because it's removing dead skin cells on your skin, and give this life a thumbs up, please. Give it a thumbs up, because it is removing dead skin cells on your skin. In doing that, it gives your skin that radiant glow. It also works and reducing the appearance of cellulite and stretch mark. If you see someone that dry body brushes all the time, the likelihood of them having too much cellulite is very less. Okay, when you dry body brush all the time, your skin, the cellulite, the appearance will be really, really less. It will be less visible. Also, when you have stretch mark that is coming out newly, if you catch it that new that time that is coming out, when it's still like red looking, and you dry body brush on it every day for like 4 weeks, you will not see the appearance will be gone. It will be very less visible, or even sometimes completely gone. Okay. Now, I also talked about the do's and don'ts of dry body brush. And the first don't is not to dry body brush. Give this live a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Not to dry body brush on a wet skin. Okay? Dry body brushing on a wet skin will be less effective, and then it will not do the job that you want it to do. And it also, because it's a wet skin, you're kind of dragging your skin too much, and because this brush is quite firm, it's quite strong, so you're kind of dragging your skin too much. It may cause your skin irritation and make your skin to be overly sensitive. I hope I'm not speaking too fast. I'm just recapping because we've been there for an hour. I'm recapping for those of you that are just joining us. So I'm just like doing a recap. Okay. Now, where was I? Yeah. So you should never dry body brush on a wet skin. You should never dry body brush on a sensitive skin. When it comes to sensitive skin, body brushing is not completely out. Okay, it's not completely out, but don't use this kind of Bristol brush. You could just buy those brush that's those facial brush. Okay, and you use it. Your facial brush will be less uh it will not be as strong as this one, and it will be less irritating on your skin, because sensitive skin, little things irritate the skin. Okay. I said you should not dry body brush when you have open wounds and you have eczema, skin condition called eczema, if you have psoriasis, if you have open wounds, if you have bumpy skin, if you have moles or what, do not dry body brush over your mole, because some moles can be, cancerous. So you do not dry body brush on a what, on a mole, okay, or open wound. Or if you just have a newly born skin, do not dry body brush, because you can make the skin condition worse. Okay, now I talked about how to dry body brush, which is the most important, because you need to know how to dry body brush. Because remember, I said earlier that you're brushing to get rid of toxins. Okay, you're brushing to get rid of toxins. So when you're dry body brushing, you need to follow the direction of your lymph node. Okay, so you brush on a straight stroke. A stroke. Don't do like a circle. You're brushing towards your lymph node, because you're trying to get rid of toxins in your body, and you're trying to improve circulation on your body, in your body. So you brush towards the lymph node. And when you're brushing, you don't, like, you have to be a little bit more firmer than I am like this. So you brush fast, make it fast, like a, don't be not too hard, because remember, it's your skin, so not too hard. So as you're even doing it, you could see, as you're doing it, you could notice that your skin will be going red, because you're improving circulation. You see how red my skin is already going. You're trying to improve circulation, and you're trying to drain the toxins in your body. So you brush very fast towards your lymph nodes. Okay. If you're brushing, this is brushing your hand now. And if you're brushing the upper hand, you brush it towards your underarm. So you brush, this is where your lymph node is here. So you brush it towards here. Okay. Now, you're brushing towards your leg. If you're brushing your leg, you have to brush from your feet towards your knee. This is where the lymph node is. Okay, you brush towards your knee. You're walking towards where your lymph nodes are, because you want easy removal of toxins. So you brush from your feet up. Let me see if I can raise my feet up now. I hope I won't fall down. So so you're brushing from your feet up to your knee with stroke. Make it fast, very fast stroke. Okay, so and then you're brushing your upper thigh, because the upper thigh area is where you usually have the cellulite and all the stretch marks and everything. So you brush towards your waist area. Okay, you brush from your knee towards your waist area, like, is that my knee? Can't even see. You brush from your knee area towards your waist area. That's how you dry body brush, and make it a very straight stroke. Okay, you can even go to you can go over the stroke that you've already done before, but don't do it too much, because you don't want to cause skin irritation. Now, your back. When you're brushing your back, you brush from down to up. You brush like this to your heart area. Okay, you brush from down towards your heart area. So you make the brushing really like a fast stroke. Okay. Now, if you're brushing on your chest, you brush downwards instead of from down to up. Now, this is now different. You brush from your shoulder here to where your heart is. Okay, because you're trying to remove toxins in your body, and also improve blood circulation. Okay. So you brush from your shoulder, your heart. If you don't want to use this side of brush, because I like the long one, because so that you can get to the difficult part of my body, which is the back area. Some people like the short one, but I don't like it, because the short one I can't use. But I can't use it to do my back. But when I'm brushing my hand, I like to hold it here, so I can use it, so that it'll be really firm and easy to use. Okay, now, if you're brushing your stomach area, you have to brush towards your nose here. Some people do like a circular brush and a circular motion around their stomach area because you're getting rid of fat as well, fat accumulation in your body. When you dry body brush all the time, it will really help you to lose weight. If you're someone that is trying to lose weight, you're brushing your bum area, the same thing in a circular motion. You brush. Okay, so and then I talked about how to take care of your brush, what you should and shouldn't do. I hope I'm not jumping. I hope I'm not jumping. So, what you should and shouldn't do. And I talked about how to take care of your brush. You have to use like a shampoo or soap to wash your brush at least once in a week. And the reason is because remember you're using it on your body to remove dead skin cells. So there'll be a lot of dead skin cells stuck in the brush that you don't see. And if you don't wash your brush, after some time you will see your brush start getting like mold and all that. So those are dead skin cells and bacteria in it. So you need to constantly wash your brush. And after washing it, you hang it to dry. And I mentioned the fact that you should not leave it in the shower where the steams are coming out. Make sure you always keep your brush on a dry area. When you finish, you can put it like inside a drawer, or you can hang it in, you know, where all your creams are, or put it in a shelf. And but don't hang it in the shower, because if you hang it in the shower, it's gonna get moldy and all that. Don't really want that. So that's how to take care of your brush. You wash it with shampoo, or you wash it with a soap in a warm water, and then after that you just put it in a running water to get rid of the dirt in it. I think that's all we have time for today. Does anybody have any question? A lot of people, what I said before, that um, we wanted to do this another topic. We wanted to merge the two together, cellulite and stretch mark, but because of time, decided give this live a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. Because of time, I decided, okay, we should leave that topic for next week, because it's a topic everybody wants, especially women. Everybody wants to talk about cellulite and stretch mark and all that. So we'll leave it for next week and do it next week. Okay. Does anybody have any question? I think we've covered everything. If it's something that you don't do, you cannot. Hi, lovely Cherokee. How are you doing? Ah, that's okay. That's okay. Thank you so much. It takes a lot of, love to leave work to to log in. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you're doing, your support and all. Just help me share it, please. Help me share this streaming. I'm almost through though, because I started earlier than usual, like because of my busy schedule. I was thinking, should I change the time? Or I said, okay, let me just start early. It's better to do, even if someone comes in later, they can do like a replay and watch it. Replay is even much better, because is it? Anyway, so I think that's everything covered about dry body brushing. Please give this live a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Click the like button and like it, please. So I think I've covered everything about dry body brushing. And does anybody have any question to ask? Does anybody have any question? I think that's it. Magdalene, hi, lovely Cherokee. Lovely Cherokee is so nice. Does anybody have any question? I think this is it now. If nobody has anything to ask, any more question to ask. Yes. That's good. Yeah. Thank you, lovely Cherokee. Thank you so much. So I think This is it. Except anybody has any question. If not, I'm gonna have to call it a day. Lovely Cherokee is so nice to me. I'll be very happy to see you one day live. I'll be very happy. Yeah, so I think that's it. That's all. Nobody's asking anything. Is there any topic you guys want me to do next week instead of the stretch mark and cellulite? Is there anything, any other topic you want me to do? If not, we'll have to do the Magdalene says female hygiene. Female hygiene. Really? Okay, maybe. I'll think, yeah, we'll see. I'll put it on my community post and then majority carries the vote. Female hygiene is actually a good topic. It's a good topic. Oh, even Magdalene's, even Rita saying yes. Okay. I think that's it now. I have to go. Nobody's saying anything, and instead of me wasting all your time, if you miss this, please, I hope you know you can watch the replay because a lot of people actually like watching the replay when they just like relax after a walk, a day's walk. I love you, ladies. I love you, everyone. I thank you so much for all your support and thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next week, same time, maybe a little bit earlier or maybe the same time next week. And I really, really do appreciate your support and I love you very much. Mwah. Bye. Magdalene, it's a thanks, Emil. Thank you so much, ladies. I really do appreciate you. Okay, thank you.